Yes, please.
Uh, I really appreciate this very thought-provoking and insightful lecture, and it has been really a matter of great pride and privilege for us to have listened to you. Actually, as far as the romantics are concerned, I think Shelley and Byron had a lot many associations with Italy. And during the years of the exile, they were there in the Italy, and we can see the influences of Italy in their works. Even John Keats in 1820, while he was in the last stages of suffering from the tuberculosis, he was there, and even Thomas Hardy. So I think Italy has had a great relationship with the Romantics, even the Renaissance, right from the French Revolution, even the Napoleon, if we can see right from the Napoleon. So
Yeah.
yeah. So, is there any difference in approach of the romantic description of Italy in all these works of the British writers? Because Italy and British had a close ties and relationship with each other since long. So, I do
Yeah.
appreciate you, Madam, this lecture.
Yes. As I told you, Mary Shelley was different from all the others because all the others loved Italy, but they did not believe in the Italians. They did not believe in the power of the Italians for doing something for themselves. So they, both Byron and Percy Shelley, believed that the British had to lead the way because the Italians were not capable of doing things for themselves. Whereas Mary Shelley thought that they simply had to rediscover what they had always been in history. And in her view, the works from the past, or the works from Michelangelo, Raphael, all the important artists coming from Italy had to inspire current day Italians to change their situation. So Mary Shelley was much more positive towards the Italian than all the others. There is even the Victorians had this idea of Italy as a beautiful country, but the Italians were, you know, like children that needed the guidance, the leadership of the British in order to emerge from their situation. Whereas Mary Shelley did not believe that. This is the most important difference in my view.
And Byron too had many affairs with the Italian women. And that's
Oh,
why
yes.
he was able to
Yes, Italy, absolutely.
yeah, that's what that contributes to the writing of all this literature.
Yes, but Teresa Guiccioli was also connected with the Carbonari. So she was actually a relative of Pietro Gamba, who was one of the most important Carbonaro. And through his relationship with women, he also approached the Italian political situation. So there is also another question, I think. Can you draw a comparison between Dante's Italy